Let's go for the real studio one, because I remember what I did. Because I'm rough and speedy, I remember doing this. I know it's bad. Forgive me, GodHands. Hey, you know what I might use? Is the plastic scissors. I haven't used them yet. Okay, GodHand to the rescue. I'm getting pretty scared. Especially when it's on video. I don't want to cut the end of my finger off and have it on video. So, and I don't want to misuse tools, because cutting something that thick is against the GodHand rules with their tools. So I've been looking for a chance to use these things. They're in the sample pack from last year, 12 months back, and I still haven't used them. They're, as you can see on the back, they're meant for cutting thick plastic, like runners, plow plate. What does it say? Up to like 2 millimeter thick. So yeah, let's give this a go. I think these are the right tool for the right job, which is something I should be doing in my media rather than just winging it through. And fingers crossed it doesn't do too much of a hack job. Still got my lines there in place. And actually, it fits into the top one. Make sure we're lined up on both sides. Now the saving grace here is, even if I make a complete hack job of this, putty will fix all sins. That's looking pretty good. 1, 2, 3. Now, bit of a deep breath. Bit of a little silent prayer to my gods, and bit more. Now, of course, the bit from the middle is gone, but how are we looking? I might just file this down now, but that got rid of most of the stuff in the center. Cool. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking pretty good. Please visit Hobbyco, because that's my local hobby shop. And here's a shout out to the epic Paint on Plastic Robots and the Paint on Plastic supporter community. You guys make this content possible. Thank you so very much. Please visit paintonplastic.com, because I've got loads more cool stuff for you. Thanks, bye.